Are you ready to harness the power of AI in industrial environments? With the Iris Foundry Industrial DataOps platform, you can unify industrial data and embrace the potential of predictive and generative AI.
We wanted to make that possibility a reality. With SymphonyAI's industrial DataOps platform, Iris Foundry, coupled with generative AI copilots powered by the Azure OpenAI service, these goals are within reach. Combined, these tools offer a unique ability for manufacturing companies to reduce unscheduled asset downtime, improve process efficiency, and enhance connected worker operations. With Iris Foundry, you can unify industrial data into a trusted and robust data foundation to seamlessly deploy predictive and generative AI solutions. With purpose-built applications to predict downtime events, monitor plant performance, and empower frontline workers, manufacturers can address underlying issues before they impact production. Iris Foundry can transition you from reactive operations to AI-powered workflows with advanced analytics for trend identification and forecasting, leveraging machine learning to uncover hidden patterns and predict operational trends.
Safe and reliable operations are critical to providing our customers with an uninterrupted supply of the materials they need to run their business, while keeping our costs competitive. Using predictive AI models from SymphonyAI integrated with critical data sources, we have already been able to proactively detect anomalies. With the release of Iris Foundry, we are excited about the simplicity this will bring to expand the benefits of a flexible AI platform to additional equipment and sites.
Using composable applications available on top of the Iris Foundry, our customers have saved $250,000 to $1 million per instance of avoided downtime events and decreased maintenance costs by 4%. Those who focused on optimizing their operations have decreased their energy consumption by over 2% and gained more than 3% in their production yield. Additionally, manufacturers have seen their frontline workers increase their knowledge worker efficiency by an average of 34%.
Capture the power of industrial AI to optimize your production with SymphonyAI solutions today. Click the link below to learn more.